Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Our topic this week is called au snack bar. The yellow is going to be to express your opinion about food. So I want you to listen carefully to the song and answer the question which will follow. Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Our topic this week is called au snack bar. The yellow is going to be to express your opinion about food. These are our vocab words for today, so I want you to listen and repeat after me, please. Le fromage, le poisson, le poulet, le lait, le pain, le beurre, la confiture, la viande, la pizza, les pommes de terre, les œufs, les épinards. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? What do you like to eat? In the next slide, we will see how can we express our opinion about food. So, as you see, we have different ways to express our opinion. The first one is je préfère, j'adore, j'adore, j'aime, j'aime, je n'aime pas, je n'aime pas, je déteste, je déteste. The food words are, as any other word in French language, they are feminine, masculine, and plural. So the masculine one, they start always with le, as when we say le fromage, and the feminine one starts with la, as when we say la pizza, and the plural one starts with les, like when you say les bananes, for example, with an S at the end for the plural. Some food items start with a vowel, like O, water, E-A-U, O. In this case, we use L apostrophe. It's going to be l'eau, l'eau. In the next slide, you will have a couple of examples showing you how can we use these articles with the right words in French. If you choose to do the breadcrumb, so you have to write 10 sentences about the food that you like or dislike. And of course, you can use any of these kind of opinion that you can see in front of you. And please remember to use the right article before the food. Masculine, feminine, plural, and food starting with a vowel. If you choose to do the white crown, so you have to unscramble the words and put the letters in the right order inside the boxes. If you choose to do the blue crown, so you have to circle the odd word, the one which doesn't have anything to do with the other words. Good luck. Au revoir.